Are you ready to unlock the extraordinary power within you? The power to shape your reality, to manifest your desires, and to live a life beyond your wildest dreams. The secret lies not in external circumstances, but in the mastery of your own mind. You are not a passive observer of life. You are its active creator. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are the building blocks of your reality. Every experience you encounter is a reflection of your inner world. By understanding this fundamental truth, you can harness the power to change your life instantly. Think about a world where your desires manifest effortlessly and rapidly. This is not a fantasy, it's a potential reality waiting to be claimed. The key lies in the art of assumption. Assume you already possess what you desire. Feel the emotions associated with your wish fulfilled as if it were happening right now. This mental shift is the catalyst for variation. Your subconscious mind is a powerful ally. It cannot differentiate between imagination and reality. By consistently dwelling in the feeling of your desire, you're sending a clear message to the universe. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you shift your focus from lack to abundance, from fear to faith, your external reality will align accordingly. Let go of doubt and disbelief. Trust in the infinite intelligence within you. Believe in your ability to create the life of your dreams. This technique may seem simple, but its power lies in its simplicity. Dare to experiment and witness the astonishing results. Let's explore this method in greater depth and discover the steps to rapid manifestation. Think of a life where your deepest desires manifest effortlessly and instantly. What if you could change your reality just by using the power of your mind? This isn't merely a fantasy. It's a tangible reality you can achieve by understanding and applying a profound technique. The cornerstone of this method is the concept that imagination creates reality. By harnessing the power of your imagination, you can shape your world according to your desires. Your thoughts and emotions, when vividly thought, possess the power to change your external reality. The key lies in focusing on what you want, rather than dwelling on what you don't want. The journey begins with a clear and specific desire. To manifest something instantly, you must have a precise understanding of what you want. Vague wishes lead to vague results. Whether it's a new job, a loving relationship, financial abundance, or improved health, specificity is essential. Write down your desire in detailed terms. Be specific, as if you are placing a detailed order with the universe. Next, enter a state akin to sleep, also known as the state of reverie or the drowsy state. This state bridges the conscious and subconscious mind, making the latter more receptive to suggestions. Achieve this state through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation, allowing your mind to drift into a calm and relaxed state. Once in this state, vividly think of your desire as if it has already been fulfilled. Use all your senses to create a mental scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. See it, feel it, hear it, smell it, and taste it. Make this mental scene as real and detailed as possible. For instance, if you are manifesting a new home, think of walking through each room, feeling the texture of the walls, smelling the fresh paint, and hearing the sounds within your home. The more sensory rich and detailed your mental scene, the more powerful it becomes. Feeling the emotions associated with the fulfillment of your desire is crucial. Emotions are the driving force behind manifestations. Feel the joy, excitement, gratitude, and relief as if your desire has already manifested. These feelings must be genuine and intense. This emotional charge propels your desire into reality. The subconscious mind, which does not distinguish between real and thought experiences, will accept this vivid, emotionally charged scene as reality and set the creative process in motion. Repetition is another vital aspect of this technique. Repeatedly visualize your desire in the state akin to sleep, reinforcing the belief that it is already a reality. This repetition solidifies the impression on your subconscious mind, making your desire a dominant part of your inner world. Consistency and persistence are key. Even if doubts or negative thoughts arise, continue to focus on your desired outcome with unwavering faith. One of the most powerful concepts is living in the end. This means that you must mentally and emotionally live as if your desire is already fulfilled. Act, think, and feel as though you are already in possession of what you want. This shift in consciousness aligns your inner world with your desired reality, attracting it into your external world. It's about embodying the state of having rather than wanting. Detachment is also crucial. Detachment does not mean a lack of interest or desire. Rather, it means releasing any attachment to the outcome and trusting the process. After you have thought of your desire as fulfilled, let it go with complete faith that it will manifest. Avoid obsessing over the how and when it will happen. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desire into reality in the best possible way. Faith and belief are the foundation of successful manifestation. You must believe in the power of your imagination and the creative process. Doubt and fear are the biggest obstacles to manifestation. Cultivate a strong belief that your desire is already on its way to you. Affirmations can be a useful tool in reinforcing this belief. Repeat positive affirmations that align with your desire, such as, "I am worthy of all my desires," "I trust the process of manifestation," and "My desires are manifesting now." Gratitude is another essential element. Being grateful for what you have and for what is coming creates a positive vibration that attracts more of what you want. Each day, take a moment to express gratitude for your current blessings and for the fulfillment of your desires. This not only raises your vibration, but also reinforces the belief that your desires are already a reality. Action is also part of the manifestation process. While the primary focus is on mental and emotional alignment, taking inspired action in alignment with your desire can accelerate the manifestation process. Listen to your intuition and act on any nudges or ideas that come to you. These are often the universe's way of guiding you towards your desire. However, ensure that your actions are inspired and not driven by desperation or fear. Patience and persistence are crucial. Manifestation is a natural process, and just like any natural process, it takes time to unfold. Trust that everything is happening in divine timing. Even if you do not see immediate results, remain persistent in your practice and maintain your faith. Your desire will manifest at the right time and in the right way. When faced with setbacks or a lack of visible progress, remember that setbacks are a natural part of the manifestation process. They are often a sign that something better is on its way, or that you need to adjust your approach. Use setbacks as opportunities to reassess and refine your desires and techniques. Stay positive and focused, and remember that every step, even setbacks, is part of the journey towards your manifestation. Visualization can also be supported by vision boards. Create a visual representation of your desires using images, words, and symbols that resonate with you. Place your vision board where you can see it daily, allowing it to serve as a constant reminder of your goals and the life you are creating. This visual reinforcement helps keep your mind focused and motivated. Meditation is another powerful tool in the manifestation process. Regular meditation helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase your overall sense of well-being. It also creates a receptive state in which you can more easily impress your desires upon your subconscious mind. There are many guided meditations specifically designed for manifestation that you can incorporate into your practice. This isn't about forcing the universe to bend to your will. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of abundance. You are not separate from the universe. You are an integral part of it. When you change your inner world, the outer world responds accordingly. Focus on the feeling of your desire fulfilled. This is the key. Emotions are the language of the universe. When you feel joy, gratitude, or peace associated with your desire, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe. Let go of the need to control the outcome. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing for your manifestation. Your role is to plant the seed of your desire and allow it to grow naturally. Understand that setbacks are part of the process. They are opportunities for growth and learning. Don't let them deter you from your path. Keep your focus on the end goal, and you will overcome any challenges. This is a journey of self-discovery. You are peeling back layers to uncover the true power within you. It's about understanding that you are not limited by external circumstances. Your potential is boundless. This technique is not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and consistent practice. Results may vary, but the variation you undergo is invaluable. Trust the process and allow the magic to unfold in its own time. The universe is abundant. There is more than enough for everyone. Your job is to align your consciousness with that abundance. Believe in your worthiness to receive all that life has to offer. As you progress on this path, you'll notice shifts in your perception, your emotions, and your reality. These are signs that you are on the right track. Celebrate these small victories. Keep experimenting, refining your technique, and most importantly, enjoying the journey. Manifestation is not just about achieving your goals. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. This is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Continue to explore, learn, and grow. You have the power to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Additionally, feel free to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and experiences. Your feedback helps me create content that resonates with you. Lastly, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the power of manifestation together. Thank you for watching, and I wish you all the best on your manifestation journey.